business. In 2016, we launched Jio with the aim of bridging the digital divide in India. Now, in 2021, we are launching our new energy business with the aim of bridging the green energy divide in India and globally. And we will do it like we have always done, by getting our first principles right. First, through hyper-integration, by integrating scientific knowledge with continuous technological innovation to build and operate truly integrated systems that deliver hyper-performance. Second, with a robust business model, by building a model that catches the irreversible upward curve in the demand for green, clean and renewable energy in India and globally, and the downward curve in the cost of their production. Third, by scale, by improving the efficiency, performance and life cycle of our assets and operations to achieve total system optimization and economics. Friends, I have no doubt that world-class talent will be the most critical resource for this new business. We have begun the process of attracting the best talent from across the world and put into place various key initiatives. We have established the Reliance New Energy Council with some of the finest minds globally. They will help us validate our strategies and embrace disruptive pathways to achieve our goals.